Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. This is Salwa of Malay Cooking and Other Delights. Today we're making delicious seafood curry. So for the seafood curry you'll need approximately 1 kg of mixed seafood as well as 500 gram fish. I've used cod. Remove the skin and cut into chunks. You can use any fish of your preference. And we're going to start by liquidizing our chilies, garlic and ginger into a fine paste. Adding quite a lot of oil into a flat wide pot before adding our mustard seeds, stick cinnamon, cardamom as well as curry leaves. Leave that to infuse for about 30 seconds before adding your 2 large finely chopped onions. We're going to cook the onions for about 5 minutes until it's translucent and light golden in color, before adding our ginger, garlic and chili paste. And in the meantime we liquidized our 4 large tomatoes, and that is going to go in as well as our tomato paste and the spices, salt, roasted masala, fish masala, cumin and coriander, and I'll list all the ingredients in the description as well. Stir, add 1 cup of water, and you're going to leave this mixture to simmer for a good 20 to 30 minutes until the oil rises to the top. That's when you know it's ready for the next step. And this is a very important step, so please do not omit this step. You want a rich curry sauce, fairly thick. And I've soaked my tamarind in hot water while my onions has been cooking. So I'm just straining the sauce from the pits now. You don't use the pits, you only use the sauce of the tamarind. And if you don't have tamarind, you can use lemon juice or white vinegar. So in goes the tamarind sauce as well as half a cup of coconut milk. Stir and cook this mixture for another 15 minutes before adding our fish. So you're going to spread our fish nicely out in the pot. In goes the fish, our prawns. I've used 2 different types of prawns, as well as mussels with the shell and without the shell. So we don't stir this food at all while it's cooking. Just give it a gentle swirl. Put the lid back on and cook for about 5 minutes. Turn the heat off and leave the fish to complete its cooking in its own sauces, in the hot sauce. And then we're going to serve it with flaky roti or white rice. And I hope you can enjoy this recipe and do try it soon and let me know what you think about it. And follow us for more recipes on Facebook, Instagram, as well as YouTube and TikTok. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.